Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita and I create YouTube videos to help you take a step closer to the industry. In today's video, I'll be sharing more about the skill sets that you require to apply for a technical program manager role. We'll be breaking this video into three parts. The first one is about the technical skill sets. The second one is about project management slash program management skills. And the third one is strategic thinking. Now, focusing on the technical skill sets, the technical skill sets that you require to apply for a TPM role includes knowledge about software development life cycles. If you have worked on projects that involves SDLC, which means you understand on how softwares are developed and also you understand the life cycle, right from designing to actually coding, implementing, and then also maturing the products and then also taking it to a end stage, then well, you have clicked on the first checklist for becoming a technical program manager. Knowledge about cloud, front end technologies, back end technologies is really important to apply for a TPM role. If you have worked on softwares or if you've built softwares, developing for front end technology, which includes developing back end code and also includes the middleware, then definitely you understand the world of software development, which is very much essential to crack any TPM role. The second one is the project management slash program management domain. Now, this domain is very, very vast. In this, you would be not just creating spreadsheets to plan your projects, but you also need to understand how, when, and what of each of the deliverable of the software, which means you understand how is that particular feature built. You need to understand where is this feature used, and you also need to understand how much time is required to build this feature and hence the how, where, and when. Once you're able to understand these, you definitely are able to gather the requirements from your customer or your sponsor, translate them into a project management plan, and also ensure that you're able to negotiate on the timelines as and when required and are able to successfully track your projects. This will also help you communicate the status of your project, which is very much important in the role of a project manager. Now, this also connects me to the third section, which is more about the strategic thinking section. In this particular section, I would be telling more about what is strategic thinking, where it will be applicable in the role. Now, this is required because as a technical program manager, you're working with developers, you're working with engineers, and then you're also communicating the status of the project with the sponsors who may or may not have technical understanding. So, your work is about gathering those technical development details and then translating those into a non-technical language which a lot of business focused stakeholders may want to know about, and this is where your strategic thinking comes into picture. As a strategic thinking individual, you will also be thinking and communicating from a strategic standpoint, which means you will be filtering the information which is important for your stakeholders to know. In some cases, they want to get to know about the implementation details. In some cases, they want to know about the challenges faced by the project. And in some cases, it would be very much specific about the launches and the landings that the project may have. And hence, it's important to develop strategic thinking. Now, where do you get this strategic thinking from? Always remember your leadership skill sets are very much related to strategic thinking. So, identify volunteering roles around you. If you're already working somewhere, identify projects where you can bring in a leadership perspective. That will definitely help you understand how leaders think and how you can communicate in a language that they enjoy. Well, that's it for today's video. Are you enjoying these video series? Please make sure you're liking this content, you're subscribing to my channel, and sharing with as many individuals who can benefit from this content. Until the next video, take care. Bye bye.